In my last video, I tried out Autoglym's Insta Dry. After my previous drying towel, my old bright orange one, finally gave up the ghost. Since we're still on the subject of drying towels, today I will be testing out a Sam's drying towel. Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay. In my last video, I tried out Autoglym's Insta Dry. If you've not seen this video, I'll see if I can leave a link in the description below, but if not, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. Now, while I was in the shop buying the Insta Dry, someone came up to me and said, "Have you tried one of these? It's a Sam's detailing towel." And they couldn't really speak highly enough of it, so I ended up buying one of these as well. Now, on the packet, it says it's 28 inches by 36 inches in size, so it's a fair old beast. It also says it utilises the latest twist loop technology, allowing it to soak up water more efficiently over traditional microfiber towels. Whatever that means. So let's open the packet and let's have a look what you get inside. Okay, my first impressions. Well, I can't believe how big it is. The other thing, it feels weighty and it feels quality. So I'm going to wash the car and give it a go. Okay, so the car has now been washed and most importantly, it's been dried. So let's have a look how Sam's drying towel performed. What can I say? The towel completely exceeded my expectations. It dried the car incredibly fast with almost no effort at all. The weight alone of the towel was enough to glide off each panel and soak up the water. Honestly, this towel is mega. So what score am I going to give Sam's drying towel? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use and result. I am seriously impressed with this towel. So based on my criteria, I'm going to give Sam's drying towel a solid 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's that good. Have you used this towel? If you have, let me know in the comments your thoughts. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got this far and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel grow. If you've enjoyed the video, you can give it a massive thumbs up. That really helps too. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to review next for a future video. So until the next one, thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you then.